Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. I'm back in the kitchen. I was just making that squash casserole and decided that I wanted some burgers to go with it. So I'm going to show y'all how I do my burgers. So I'm going to turn y'all down and we're going to get started again. So I guess it's a cooking day. So I'm going to take 1 egg. And I'm going to take 1 pack of onion soup mix. This don't have a name on it, but this is Dale's seasoning sauce. And we buy it by the gallon, so we just pour it into a little jar there. Let's get a fork. Kind of stir this up a little bit. I'm going to add some salt and a little pepper. Now we're going to add in some of these onions, the bell peppers. Get them all covered there with the good juices, good sauce. And I buy the ground beef by the big family packs and just pack it up in little bags. So this is a little over a pound. Not much, but just a hair. Come on, get out of there. Now we're going to mix this up real good. I've got the oven on and the stove on, and it's getting hot up in here. I'll have to adjust that thermostat on that AC. That looks pretty good. Looks like it's mixed up real good. Okay, I'm going to take y'all over here. So I've got my pan already heated, and we're going to do it just like this. We have our burgers ready. Let me show you. Make me a burger. A little mayonnaise on it. I melted me some cheese on it in the microwave. And I'll do a taste test for y'all. And it's smoking, it's hot. That's good. Mmm. Hot. It's delicious. Make some good burgers. Get you some onion soup mix, a little bit of Dale's, throw your egg in there, salt and pepper, some onions and peppers, then put you some cheese on it. Oh, it's good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So y'all get to crafting, make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen, cook something yummy. So I love you all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Enjoy. Bye-bye.